Hey there, this is Wendy Bellino for TaylorMade Cards for You, and today I'm featuring the new digital kit release for January, the Wine Passport Kit. I'm making a fly-out mini album with instructions from Club Scrap. Let me show you how to make it. You'll need the album instructions and 2 sheets of 12 by 12 coordinating cardstock, one to create the album and one for matting. I'll include links to the supplies used and written instructions in the description box below the video, as well as on my blog. Now the first step is to do some scoring, and I'm using my score pal and making a score line at 2 3/8 inches and one at 7 1/4. I'm repositioning the paper with the scored area at the top, and then I'm going to score at 3 7/8, 4 1/8, 8 inches, and 8 1/4. And now that all the scoring is done, I'm going to remove the 1/4 inch sections within the top and bottom score areas. Now I'm pre-folding on all the score lines and creasing with a bone folder just to ensure a really crisp and firm fold. So don't skip this step, it's important for the overall look of your finished project. Now I'm going to put on some music while I finish decorating my album, and I'll be back when everything's ready. Here's my finished project, and I've added a stamped quote from a past Club Scrap kit to enhance the cover. And I've included some additional close-ups of the finished album where I've added some distressing, some diamond stickles for a little sparkle, and some inked edges. Now, just to let you know, new releases will be on the 5th of each month in the TaylorMade Cards For You Etsy store. The store link will be on my blog and in the description box below the video. Now, there may also be additional releases for holiday months. Here's a sneak peek of the Valentine release that will be available on January 14th. So be sure to check out the TaylorMade Cards For You blog for updates and more inspiration from the design team. Thanks for watching.